In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide indicators in Tradingview. If you're someone who loves analyzing charts but finds them cluttered with indicators and drawings, this guide is for you. We'll keep things easy and straightforward, making sure you can follow along seamlessly, even if you're new to Tradingview. So, first things first, let's take a look at the Tradingview interface. Picture this. You're staring at your chart, and it's overflowing with various indicators. Perhaps you've got moving averages, volume indicators, or maybe some personalized drawings cluttering up the space. While these tools are incredibly useful for your trading strategy, sometimes you need a clearer view to better understand the market movements, right? That's where the ability to quickly hide your indicators comes into play. Now, if you direct your attention to the left of your screen, you'll notice the toolbar that runs vertically along the edge. This is home to a range of tools perfect for drawing and analyzing your charts. However, to manage your indicators, there is one icon of importance to us today, the eye icon. It's quite recognizable, resembling, as you might expect, an eye. Once you've located the eye icon in this toolbar, go ahead and click it. This icon acts like your command center for visibility options on your chart. Upon clicking it, you have the option to manage the visibility of your indicators and drawings. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option that says either Hide Indicators or Hide All Drawings and Indicators. Selecting this option effectively clears up your entire chart, leaving you with just the pure price action. The simplicity of this function allows an instant decluttering of your charts, giving you a better perspective without any distractions. This feature is particularly useful when you want to take a step back and analyze the candlestick patterns or price movements without any overlays. It's worth noting that while you have temporarily hidden your indicators, they are not deleted. You can bring them back anytime in the same way you hid them. Just revisit that trusty little eye icon, give it another click, and all your indicators will reappear just as they were. This ability to toggle the visibility of your indicators and drawings provides a significant flexibility and adaptability in how you choose to view and interpret your charts. It's these small tricks that enhance your trading experience in Tradingview, allowing you to maintain control over your workspace and ensuring your focus remains on what truly matters, making informed trading decisions. I hope you found this method as practical as I do, and that it serves as another helpful tool in your trading toolkit. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.